Your computer is running Windows 11 and you want to install Windows 11 on it but don't have a USB drive. In this video I show you how to do that. First of all, go to the Microsoft homepage and download the ISO file to install Windows 11 operating system. And here is the ISO file that I downloaded from the Microsoft homepage. I will mount this ISO file so I can copy the files in the OS installer. If your computer has no other partitions than the operating system partition, create a new one. Here my computer only has a partition for the operating system, so I will shrink the current partition to create a new one. The new partition only needs to be at least 7 GB in size to be used to store the Windows 11 operating system installation files. I will format a new partition and name it ISO. Next you copy all the files in the Windows 11 installer to the newly created partition. Before watching the steps to install Windows 11 operating system for this computer, please take a moment to support any TVN channel with a t-shirt below the video. After copying the files needed to install the operating system, open a command prompt and use the above command to boot the computer into advanced mode. Troubleshoot. Advanced options. Your computer will boot into the command prompt. If your computer doesn't have a password, just click continue. First of all, you need to identify the existing partitions on your computer. Here the partition where the files of the Windows 11 installer are stored is D and named ISO. To install Windows 11 operating system, you just need to run the file called setup.exe located in the D partition of the computer. To install a new operating system, you delete the old partitions, leaving only the partition named ISO. When you remove partitions, you will remove the Windows 10 operating system from the computer. You should not delete the partitions storing the Windows 11 installer. Now you just need to install Windows 11 operating system for your computer. Currently Windows 11 will ask you to enter your Microsoft account when installing. If you want to use a local account for your Windows 11 computer, then follow these steps. Make sure your computer is disconnected from the internet. As here you will be warned your computer does not have an internet connection to install Windows 11. Instead you open the command window with the key combination Shift F10. In the command prompt you use the above command and your computer will reboot. Then you install Windows 11 without an internet connection. With this setup you can set up a local account for your Windows 11 computer. So I introduced how to install Windows 11 without a USB drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.